How to use Skyline OS. You can change the layout of the display by going through the settings, hitting the display, the layout into Cruise, Sport, Tour. You also have a day or night and a high contrast. The riding modes are road, sport, rain. The customs are a compile from the other modes, which is your engine map, engine braking, +2 or -2, throttle response, +2 or -2. Traction control, road, rain, or sport. Anti-lock braking, road or rain. Change your PIN code in your system settings, system info, go down to security PIN, and then change your PIN. Factory reset. Wi-Fi updates, on weather, etc. Bike functions, cooling fan, air ride. Bluetooth, settings, sound, volume, equalizer, list of options. For Apple CarPlay without headset, connect phone, connect Bluetooth adapter, start CarPlay, apps, nav, and music.